Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to prepare a flavorful keto bagel that's not only delicious but with just a few simple ingredients and easy to follow steps. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all our latest recipe videos. So let's get started. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup almond flour, half teaspoon baking powder, half cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons keto sweetener. Keto sweetener is optional. I like my bagel bites a little sweeter. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder. Nutmeg powder is optional. Knead the dough. Chill your dough for a few minutes before working. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Divide it into 5 equal parts. Coat your hands in oil so that the dough will slide more easily. Roll each portion into a circle. Roll each ball in bagel seasoning. Bagel seasoning is optional. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the bagel bites are golden brown. Enjoy with cream cheese or butter. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.